Hello, my name is Annissa Roberts, and I work at the Lithonia Davidson Library, and I do adult programming. Today we're going to make a quick, easy dessert. I like to call it my summer dessert, and it's lemon parfait. So, this is a fun dessert for the whole family. Even kids will love making this dessert. So what it consists of is we're going to have some lemon pudding or pie filling, if you will. And I'm kind of doubling this recipe only because I'm going to have some guests over and I wanted to go ahead and make enough. So that's why I'm using 2 boxes. And it's just, they have it in the can as well, but I had a hard time finding it in the can. So my last result was to go ahead and get it in the box and just make it fresh. The recipe, this is a family recipe. You can use 2% milk if you want to. Of course, I don't cook with 2% milk, so I cook with whole milk. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of milk. I pretty much know what 2 cups of milk is just from doing it for a minute. So, now, my mixer does act a little bashful sometimes, so just bear with me with my mixer. And you want to do this for about a couple of minutes. See? All it takes is a couple of minutes for that. Now I'm going to be moving some things around. Now, this consists of layers. So what I'm going to do is bring my glasses over here. And I'm going to prep 4. See how cute those are? So, I'm going to start with some lemon Oreo cookies that I've already crushed up. And so that's going to be my first layer. See, this is where the kids will have fun. Because all I did was just basically just crunch them up in a bag. About 10 Oreos. Okay, now here comes the filling. And just drop it on in there. It can get a little messy. Don't worry about that. Just gonna take a spoon, get all of that. We don't like to waste nothing in this household. I've said that time and time again. Okay, now time for some whipped cream. Uh-oh. Shake it up. This is the fun part that I like, aside from eating, of course. Now, we're going to add some more Oreo cookies. And you can do this recipe with shortbread cookies. Any type of cookie really that you desire to make you a parfait. You can use fruit instead of pudding. But again, I'm making a lemon parfait. So here we go. Now it's time for more filling. Isn't that looking cute? I'm left-handed, so sometimes cooking can be a little awkward for me. And I know I've said that before too. I do things that may look a little different from other people. See, I ended up using all the filling. Okay, slide that over to the side. Now, it's time for more whipped cream. And you don't be shy about the whipped cream. That's the fun part, remember? Okay. Now, we're gonna do a little garnish with lemon Oreo cookies. So you put a cookie on top. And then we're gonna put some sliced lemons on the side. Now tell me that don't look cute. Uh-oh, I grabbed two. So if you got guests coming over for the summer and you want to fix a quick dessert that's not going to break the bank, there you have it. Lemon parfait made with lemon Oreo cookies. I want to thank you guys for allowing me back into your homes again. Until the next time, y'all have a beautiful summer.